Stop everything. What I discovered after combining Eroxon Gel with Kegels absolutely blew my mind, and no one is talking about it. Not doctors, not influencers, but today you'll hear it all. You think Eroxon is powerful? Wait till you hear what happens when you mix it with a few simple pelvic floor moves. I didn't expect results in 7 days. Honestly, I didn't expect anything at all. But when I tell you what changed, let's just say performance anxiety is no longer in my vocabulary. Why are men in their 30s, 40s, even 60s doing this? Because it works. And it works fast. Thousands of men are secretly using Eroxon, but very few are combining it with Kegel techniques correctly. The few who do, they're getting night and day results. You've seen the reviews, but no one's showing this combo until now. If you've ever said Viagra doesn't feel natural or gels aren't effective, this changes the game. Look, I was stuck. It was slowly chipping away at my confidence, my relationship, even how I saw myself. I felt powerless, embarrassed. But this 7-day experiment changed everything. And if you've struggled with performance, you know exactly how heavy that can feel. Most men never fix it. They settle, or they keep jumping from pills to powders. The problem? No root solution. But combining Eroxon's fast-acting formula with targeted Kegel training isn't just relief, it's transformation. The longer you wait, the harder it gets, literally. Start now. Here's exactly what I did for 7 days. I applied Eroxon once daily. 15 minutes later, I did 5 minutes of Kegel-focused contractions, seated, controlled, nothing intense. By day 3, stronger response. By day 5, confidence boost. By day 7, my wife noticed big time. Want the exact routine? Drop A in the comments, I'll post it. And if you're curious, don't wait. Try this, combine it, track it. You'll be shocked. Subscribe if you want more real results, real tests, and no fluff. This is men's health without the BS.